Natural edge hairline. For the people who like to lace watch, you're gonna be watching because there's nothing to see. It's undetectable, okay?
Never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team. Got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid with
straight out the box, okay? So besides the wig, we have a Luvme wig bag and the wig stickers, some HD wig caps, and the Luvme edge band, as well as our Luvme tool. You got everything you need to make this wig perfect. So obviously the color is amazing, but while we're this close, I want to talk about the edges. This is a 4C edge natural hairline closure. So the thing about, first of all, these natural edge wigs are my favorite from Luvme. I think they just really get it. They really get it. It looks good already and we haven't even done anything to it. I love that it's a closure because I'm honestly over gluing stuff down. Anytime I get a closure, it's gonna be glueless. I'm not gluing it. I'm actually over glued down wigs altogether. I can't remember the last time I did that, but I love this. The lace is beautiful as always with Luvme hair. I'm gonna scoot back so we can get into this color. I just want to comb through. My first impression of this wig, 10 stars. Everything about it is just natural. From the natural edges to the lace, of course, Luvme does great with their lace. The density on the texture, the ombre. I love how the ends look very natural, very realistic. It looks like natural, straight out the scalp hair. I also like that I'm not getting any catching light. Feels soft, the cap fits great. I don't have no security, none of the bands, anything. I just put the wig on. The clips are still there, everything's still there. I'm just not using them. I have my flat iron heated up to 430. Did I say the temperature is 430? I started having a cough attack on this first piece, so I'm a flat iron straight this piece too. And then we'll curl the next piece. Oh man, taking my cream foundation, and I always go just straight down the middle. Now it is pre-plucked. I do see a couple black knots, which is what this foundation is gonna cover up. It's also gonna make the part look realistic. Oh wait, I'm doing too much. This is how the part is looking, and it's a little wide, but that's an easy fix. I'm just going to use some dark brown eyeshadow from my old contour palette I don't use anymore. You can use the black hairspray, the brown hairspray. We still have to hot comb, but I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the rest of the hair. I did do the back to save some time, so let's do a quick comparison. Flat iron, and we're going to do this piece, and then I have this piece over here too. I have my edges pushed back. I'm gonna clip them because it's time to cut the lace. Let's add a little bit of, where's the brush? Oh. Whatever's left on this brush from the what we put in the part, I'm just gonna put it right along here. I'm only doing right here because that's what's gonna be showing. The rest of this lace won't be shown, but do as much as you need. I want my edges to be more soft, so I bought my gel out, but I'm not gonna use it because it's gonna make them too firm. So I'm just gonna use my mousse. We're gonna get these flyaways together. So again, this hair is flowy, it's moving, and I want to keep that. So what I'm gonna do, have my hot comb on. I'm just gonna lightly go over the roots and then quickly follow up with my wax stick. If you do it the opposite way, it's gonna look too slick, and we don't want too slick. I'm gonna take a little bit of this wax stick and just rub it on my fingers. Just a little bit. Again with my hot comb. Just need to heat it up. And then a wax stick. Fingers to lay the hairs down. The best thing about natural edge hairline, for the people who like to lace watch, you're going to be watching because there's nothing to see. It's undetectable, okay? Now with my edges, I don't really care if they're perfect because the more unperfect it is, the more realistic it'll look. This looks crazy, but it's gonna look good when it's all said and done. this is my end result. This is how the edges are looking. Some days I want to do more, some days I want to do less. But I think this looks good, especially if you're not a big fan of baby hair. Natural edge, you can do a lot with this. This is minimal. My hair is still soft. It moves. I didn't even add any product to it. But after a wash, of course, you would need some type of conditioner. Realistic, there's no lace showing at all anywhere. So as I said in the beginning, this is a 10 out of 10 even after everything I did to it. And I really like this hair a lot. The color, the lace is always a plus with Luvme hair, the natural edge hairline. I will link this wig and all of Luvme's information in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team. Got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me.